Okay, 101.1 The Spirit of Indonesia. Back again with us, BPEC Benteng Panynyua English Club in Smart Up Your Life with Smart FM. So, as usual, in this beautiful Tuesday night, BPEC will accompany your beautiful night in 1 hour soon. So, smart listener, as usual, we are going to discuss about an interesting topic for tonight, and then the topic for tonight will be whether busker are troubling or entertaining. Jadi, so in Bahasa Indonesia, we know that apakah pejalan pengamen jalanan membawa masalah atau membawa hiburan atau menghibur kita. So we're curious about your opinion, your solution, or something like that, and then we would like to invite you and discuss with us directly. You may WhatsApp or send us a message via WhatsApp di 0811 461011, or you may call us directly di 831 449. Okay, so let's start the discussion for tonight.
Okay, so tonight our topic today is about whether busker is annoying or entertaining. Okay, so I think busker, in my opinion, a little bit for me, a little bit annoying because the voice of the singer is not really suitable with the note of the instrument, such as guitar or what else?
Drum.
A drum? Yeah, okay, drum. So what about you, Putri? Do you think that is the busker is annoying or entertaining for you?
Actually, while I met with the buskers itself, they never annoy me so far, and also while the buskers singing or something like that, they really entertain me. So and also their voice is good. So I think it's not annoying so far. It's not annoying so far.
So while they entertain you, do you give them some of your money?
Yeah, of course.
As a reward.
Yeah, because I can feel their feeling how tired,
hard, how struggled.
Yeah, the struggle. Yeah.
Yes, you're so kind. Okay. What about you, Hadiza?
Okay, thank you. So tonight we talk about the buskers, right?
Yes.
A singer or let's say pengamen. For like Putri said, sometimes several buskers are not really annoying. They sing really well, but for me, most of them is not playing really well, and it's like feels like I want. It's like just give you a simple example, like when I'm in Losari Beach, and I'm with my someone or anyone else, and I'm just sitting down, and suddenly the buskers come and he just suddenly playing. I'm just like. I just like whispering.
Without you allow them to play.
Without permission from us, of course. And I was like, suddenly just singing. After that, after he done he play, that we give the money like 1,000 or 2,000, 5,000, even and he suddenly asked for more. In a long time ago, in several years ago in Losari Beach, but I was glad that today it's not. I'm not for it anymore. So several is just like crime. They are doing a crime or such that kind of thing that makes me feels really bad about it.
So what is your expectation then to the busker? Do you expect them to sing really beautiful? Like
Bruno Mars,
like
Westlife,
the Western,
maybe?
like the Western busker. Like we know that some artists, came from busker thing, like Ed Sheeran, Ed Sheeran, Justin Bieber,
yeah. I guess that, yeah, but no, not everyone are blessed with the beautiful voice. Like, but some of them are forced their voice and just like singing, and they just like disturbing other people because of their voice. But in one of the countries, one of the case like in Swiss or in England, the buskers have to be based of education from the art school or having a license of singing or anything any else. So their country makes sure that every busker are talented enough to entertain the peoples.
Okay, so Putri, as the person who really support buskers,
Buskers.
yeah. So, what do you really love from them?
The first is their effort.
Oh, the effort.
Yeah, and the second is their voice. That Miss Lisa said before that they came that suddenly and then without taking any permission first, and also it makes me shocked at that time.
Oh my
Don't
God,
you
what
feel?
happened
Don't you feel
here?
annoyed by them? Surprising you, surprise.
Yeah, what are you? Like, suddenly
Surprise.
calm.
Honestly, a little bit annoying, but if their voice so far so good so nice, well, I can say that they were not annoying. Only a bit, even though a bit only suddenly came, but if their voice really really unsupport, and then they also make us shock suddenly came,
Without permission.
then without any permission also, then it's annoying.
It's gonna be annoying, of course.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
So, did you option to get a busker with a beautiful voice?
Yeah.
Really? Where? Could you show me the place?
Oh, I got one place in Saraba drink place. Saraba and Gorengan place in near from Nusantara
Bawah
Street. Bawah Karang Street.
Karang Street.
Their voice is really good. I mean, not really, but they sing traditional song. I was like really they are really talented. I mean that they are supported by the guitar, the drums, and they sing really soft and really entertain us. So they worth every pence, every dollar, not dollar, every rupiahs, I guess. So it's
So it comes every night.
yeah, every night. Every night. They're looking money for every day, of course, right?
I mean only at night, not at
Yeah.
afternoon or.
Only at night.
At night. I guess
because,
it's above.
They are
night.
hired by the owner of the cafe. Or
Yeah.
But actually, I'm curious. Does the owner of the restaurant or something like that was annoying because of the basket itself? Actually, I never know about it. Maybe one of you know.
No, I mean the owner
Oh.
hired them because they sing the traditional song like dangdut and also traditional
Like Bugis song,
yeah, traditional
Makassar
Bugis
song, a lot of
Makassar
songs.
song. The owner will be annoyed if they play a Western song.
Oh, really?
Which is they don't know
The pronunciation.
meaning.
Oh.
What about you? If you surprised by the busker and they song a traditional song, Makassar song, you will feel annoyed, of course.
Not really.
Not really. Okay.
So you love traditional song?
I love all of songs as long as their voice is beautiful.
Oh, so it depends of their voice.
Yeah. Even though I don't
Okay.
understand what they are singing.
I agree with you.
And also, I'm curious about the how to their show. Not only singing, they also
Play
show.
magic. Oh,
Yeah, you know, while playing guitar, there
they
are
also play
some.
drum.
Yeah, something like that. But I only see in
In
abroad.
Western.
Yeah.
They
Oh,
play-
like a
they
magic
play-
magician song
No.
while doing a magician, no?
No,
No.
they play guitar and drum
While-
at the same
in,
time.
in the boat
like
at the same time.
yeah,
Oh, I see, I
like
see.
the Coldplay vocalists
Oh, okay.
always do.
Yeah,
in
I
the
only
stage.
I only saw that on YouTube, not in Makassar direct.
So, should we support them to be a professional entertainer?
I guess for me, it's about the likeness of the busker itself. I mean, however, how beautiful your voice, or how talented you are, if you are not, let's say that if it's not on your in your destiny, you will not become famous or successful or other else. But in some case, the buskers are meet with the producer, and it's just like suddenly it's accidentally they meet with the producer, and the producer asks for the core or manual. So, like I said before, it depends on the likeness of the busker itself.
So it all depends on the luck of the person.
Because we cannot deny that I had a lot of friends. They had beautiful voice, but unfortunately they are not. I mean, just like they're not as famous or as expensive as Raisa or Bruno Mars or anything else. No, I mean the payment.
Oh,
so
maybe they are less of efforts, because we know if you hard work, if you are working really hard for your dream, you will deny the luck.
It's about the struggle.
Yeah, the struggle. What about you, Putri?
But I see that the buskers, like Tegar.
Oh, they're really,
Yes.
they're really tough. Yeah.
Yeah, he was famous at that time, but
Who?
now Tegar.
Oh,
The singer.
I thought you are saying in Bahasa.
No, Tegar
That's you
is
translate as talk.
it's a busker. It's the famous busker at that time.
Yeah, a lot of
Yeah, but
Indonesian singer came from Basker.
yeah, from
A lot.
busker. Yeah,
Even international singer.
Yeah, Ed Sheeran. Yeah, as
Justin
I've been saying
Bieber.
before.
yeah, and then now I never heard about Tegar
Anymore.
again.
Yeah, where
I
is
know.
he? He's gone. Like disappear.
Yeah, only famous at the time, and then after that, his name is gone.
Maybe he's gone to another profession, another job.
I don't know exactly. Maybe
No.
So,
Oh yeah.
you first.
So, do you have a favorite singer who came from a busker?
Actually, I have a question. Does Sandi Sandoro were a busker?
Sandi
Was a
Sandoro?
busker?
I don't know, because his voice is really good, Sandi Sandoro.
Oh, he's the bomb.
Yeah,
His voice is really good.
in my point of view,
So-
maybe. Yeah.
So you really like Sandi Sandoro?
Yeah.
What do you really like from him? His voice or his style of?
His voice, of course. His voice while playing guitar and then singing and then
His face. He's handsome.
yeah,
He's good
everything.
looking.
And then also he was famous in international side,
Sandi Sandoro.
Oh.
Yeah.
He's bomb.
like Anggun, like Agnes Monica.
Okay, so that's Indonesian singer. What about Western singer?
Western singer, I recently I love Ariana Grande.
Ariana Grande.
Yeah.
Does she came from Basker?
No. She's not.
Oh, you asking from Basker?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, I only know Ed Sheeran and that's Justin Bieber came from
Shawn Mendes.
Shawn
Yeah,
Mendes
Shawn
also.
Mendes also.
Shawn Mendes.
He's
I
handsome.
don't really know a
Camila
lot.
Cabello. I don't know.
No. She's a girls group. I'll say.
How about
Oh.
One Direction?
Yeah,
No.
One Direction is a
They are
boy
from
band.
boy band, girls band, boy band.
So between Ed Sheeran or Justin Bieber, I thought Justin Bieber get famous by YouTube channel
Mm-hmm.
or
Yeah, somebody record his his busking style.
It's become a boom. It's viral.
So I prefer Ed Sheeran because his song I love his voice actually. His voice is unique, and then his song also.
Would you sing one of his songs?
You.
No,
No.
I have a bad voice.
Maybe Miss Lisa.
What about you, Miss Lisa?
Like you said before, like Justin Bieber, Ed Sheeran, and even Shawn Mendes, they are famous because of the way they sing, their style of busking, and like I said before, it's about luckiness. Someone's record them, and it's going viral on social media or even in the YouTube, and yeah, they become, they have a really, I mean, they become an artist in just like several months. They just like suddenly become instantly
Instant way to become artist.
It's like Indomie, it's instant. So nobody could expect or knowing someone's destiny or fate. It depends on your likeness actually. So
So if you given a chance to become a singer, would you like to try?
I realize my voice is really bad. So maybe I'm
You never try. You never try. You will know if you try.
I really try and I realized that my voice really no, it's not really good as another voices. So
What do you think if the busker, the buskers not only entertain, but they also make something like trouble in every place or something like that. For example, the buskers may be forced to the customers, for example, to get any money if the customers didn't want to give them money. So have you experienced something like that?
for me,
Yeah.
I've been wanting to experience when I'm in Losari Beach. At the time, I'm with my friends, so just like we are just chilling and we just eating pisang nyepe. And suddenly, at the time, it's all around 5 years ago. So at the time, there's still no security, just save that place. And I was just eating, and suddenly the buskers come, and suddenly he was singing. And after it's done, we give them money. And they would they ask more. I mean, they already give 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. He asked for more, and more. And then me and my friend decide to leave. And then they suddenly just block us, and then they don't let us to leave after we give them a lot of, more money. So it's really, for me, if we present it between entertaining and making a trouble, it's more, the number is more, the cruel, it's more above enough than the internet itself.
What?
So, Mr. Herul, how about you? Your experience with buskers?
I often got a busker in a public area like cafe and
Restaurant.
yeah, in a restaurant. I don't really often to go restaurant.
Okay.
I'm not a rich man. So yeah,
So honest.
yeah. My experience with a busker is they are a bit entertaining.
A bit.
Yeah, a bit
Oh, how
entertaining
come?
because I do really love their skills of playing instrument. Playing guitar, they are really master guitar, but unfortunately their voice not really good. So, but I appreciate it. I give them some money, and also my friend give them money. So. For the form of appreciation from me and my friend, we give them money.
Okay.
Appreciation.
Yeah, appreciation.
Appreciate. Okay, but you know what? The buskers in Bahasa Indonesia, we say that pengamen jalanan. Pengamen jalanan. It doesn't mean that only like someone or people who are playing guitar while singing or something like that, but there are a lot. With their own ways. For example, how to say, topeng monyet, and then what else?
Like a magician as well?
Yeah, like magician or something like
Magician?
that. Yeah, that's
This
also
is not busker. Busker is
Singing,
Singing.
entertaining.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
they are entertaining as well.
Yeah, we have to make a general buskers in general things, but you know what? it's hard to find nowadays the buskers, something like that. Like topeng monyet, like magicians,
It's rare now.
like people who sing while playing guitar. But don't you guys think that it's because of their annoying things, or because of what?
I think they are gone because the regulation of our country is really strict. Like topeng monyet, they are gone because there is a animal exploitation regulation.
Animal abuse.
Animal abuse, yes. And magician, I think it's not really famous nowadays because their boss, Deddy Kobuzer, is now how to say having fun with YouTube. They are not really he's not really into magician, so a magic show is not really
And
famous things in Indonesia nowadays. That was famous in 2011, I guess, when the human are really stupid enough to be tricked
Like you?
by magician.
like you,
Yeah, we are amazed by
exclude me, yeah.
we are amazed by the trick of magician. Every time they fool us with beautiful.
Fool us.
Yeah, they
Full you maybe.
they trick us
Fool
with
me.
with trick
Girl.
with a beautiful trick. We know that we are fools. We are being fools by them, but
Fooled by fools.
yeah, we are being
Fooled
fools
by
by them,
fool.
but yeah, it's an
Yeah.
artwork.
Yeah.
So we enjoy it to be
Yeah.
fools.
Oh my god.
But when you were young,
Young.
have you found something like that? Like, for example, topeng monyet.
Yes. I myself, I haven't watched Topeng Monyet or monkey show. Let's say
Yeah.
monkey show
Yeah.
in several times when I was a kid, and that it's really entertaining. We cannot deny it. Seeing monkey dancing like Sarimin pergi ke pasar.
Yeah,
It's really
that's very
entertaining.
funny.
Yeah, and that, but we cannot deny that the owner of the monkey sometimes they are doing animal abuse, and that's so unfortunate. I mean, how pity the monkey? They are right. Is
But
it?
at
Right?
that time, we are not thinking about the
Yeah.
monkey.
Yeah.
It's being abused by the
Yeah.
owner.
We just enjoy
We
the
just enjoy the show.
The show, yeah.
How
Sometimes
cruel
they-
you are.
That is.
Yeah, you know, children, they never think a lot things,
Yeah.
only funny things.
We cannot think forward at the time. We're just a kids. Come on.
Okay, but don't you think that, for example, how much, for example, how much did you pay at the time for how to say, for stopping the monkey and the owner to give
I
us
see, I
the
see.
show,
Oh, to
And the show.
I mean,
the show is end. It's over.
no,
to
I
pay
mean,
them.
to pay
Ah.
the show. To pay the show.
Yeah, monkey show.
I never pay.
Oh, you only
After watching, he's run away.
you only saw it free.
Yeah,
It's for
because
free.
they are not they are not set amounts of money
Yeah.
that we need to pay.
Do we have a message maybe from smart listener? Okay, maybe Miss Lisa can read it.
Okay, so the message is good evening, BPC. Good evening. Okay, I'm Oya. So talking about the buskers, I want to tell my opinion. Shorty, for me, they are annoying. Lol. Okay. So in this beautiful night, I hope you guys enjoying your discussion and please give your best opinion. So I myself, I will understand about this problem, and for people listening to you now, we could find the best solution for this busker out there. I love you all. I love you too.
We love
Some
you too.
nerds. Thank you.
Thank you, Oya. Okay, Miss Lisa.
Okay, thank you for Miss Oya for the beautiful message. I love you too. So talking about we already discussed about the basket itself, about the entertaining out there. We still find out or figure out how to solve this problem, because it's really, we cannot deny that sometimes it's really entertaining, but sometimes also it's become one of the trouble. They become trouble in these countries, and the governments are the stakeholder of this solution of this trouble, and then we have to be like, how to say, find out the way how we could stop them, how we educate them as well, how they understand that it's not good enough to earn money. I mean, if you are doing well, this is fine, right? If you are doing in the bad way, so it's gonna be bad.
Yeah. In my point of view, actually the basket itself, there are two kinds, like positive and negative, also.
both way.
For sure. And then for the negative, maybe the government can give some solutions for that, because we can see, for example, the people or someone who's singing while playing guitar, they suddenly came to us and make us like surprise, and then without any permission first. That's how to say, quite impolite.
Yeah.
And also for like monkey show. I'm sorry, for monkey show. Also, it's inappropriate way to make monkey become like
money's busters.
Like toys, or we can force them to work. You know what? Monkey work for the owner. The owner only hold the rope of the monkey, and then give the monkey like tools or something like that. It's so sad for
Don't you know that not only the monkey show that you mentioned, but a lot of animal being abused in this world, like the circus show.
In circus, they are also entertaining,
like,
right?
Yeah. What is that? Dolphin show.
Yeah.
And elephant as well.
Elephant, they are being abused by the human. So not only the monkey that you always
mention,
you always saw on the road. But the people enjoy the show on the circus.
Yeah.
Because they pay really expensive.
Yeah, but we also enjoy the show. So how is it?
I mean, we cannot deny also in the zoo that they also giving a show, like orangutan show, like a dolphin show, and also the tiger show. It's also entertaining, but in other ways they keep them safe. They feed them, they take care of the animal itself. In other ways, they make a show and they earn money from that. I mean, it's worth it, right? What's the matter with that? It depends on the circus or the zoo, how well they are treated the animal itself.
In the zoo.
In the zoo.
In the zoo.
I never go to the zoo.
Oh, how happy you are.
Well, before we end this broadcasting, I want to inform you guys about a bit about BPEC. So BPEC, or we mentioned Benteng Panynyua English Club, is an English club in Makassar that will provide you about how learning English. Jadi, let me speak in Bahasa. Jadi di BPEC itu kita bisa belajar bahasa Inggris bersama-sama. Di situ kita akan sharing mengenai bahasa Inggris. Nah, di BPEC itu juga gratis or free of charge. Jadi bagi teman-teman yang mau belajar langsung di BPEC, bisa langsung datang ke Benteng Rotterdam, tepatnya di Building M untuk sekarang ini. Dan juga untuk waktunya kami ada di setiap jam 10 pagi sampai jam 2 siang. So bagi teman-teman yang bisa mengikuti seluruh kegiatan acara BPEC, bisa juga setengahnya. It's okay, karena kami terbuka untuk umum, siapapun boleh datang. Dan juga untuk informasi lebih lanjut tentang BPEC, kalian bisa follow di Instagram kami di BPEC Makassar, and also don't forget to follow smartfm_Makassar. Itu Instagram dari Smart FM.